Hi everyone, I'm going to make a cicada. This is a folding paper. Have you seen the cicada before? When did you see the cicada? Oh, maybe in the summer season. When you are in the summer, there is on the tree. There is a cicada cry like meh, 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 like this. So now we are going to make a cicada for making fun. So now we are going to, I just explain how to make it for you. First, start from the beginning. It's triangle position. Yes, folding like this. This is the triangle position. Now we are just folding in the center. And fold up to meet at center like this. And we are finished it, and then fold down in a slant like this. Yes, this is a slant. This is a slant. Now fold down just the front page like this. Then fold down, leaving the small gap as shown like this. So we make a formation like this. Now flip over like this. Then to a part side of corner to meet at the center. Now, when we finish this one, we make it, finally finish making. It is the same. When we just cicada, we can put the cicada on the tree. So now this is a makeup decoration for you. Now, this is a finish your lecture for the folding paper. Thank you.